Well, this wasn't in the pre-plan. Alright guys, just was doing my pre-trip. I don't know if you can see it in the other videos, but this old gal is nasty. Look at all that white stuff all over the frame, all down the sides. Does wonders for this black trailer too. So we're gonna try and remedy that today. See if we can't find us a truck wash and get that taken care of. But first, I gotta run over to Carlisle and pick up this load heading back to Michigan. We'll check back in with you later. All right, so we finally got our paperwork and got loaded here. Oh, forgot to change my stuff over here. We're gonna switch it over to yard move, return to guard shack. Hook up and return to guard shack. There you go. Don't want to hit that drive clock. So got here at 10 to 10. My appointment was at 11. It is now 10 after 12. Just got my paperwork. We had to disconnect. Well, we had the option. I could disconnect or I could bring them my keys. I would say I was lazy and didn't want to walk my keys all the way back down here, but I guess if you disconnect the trailer, not exactly being lazy either. Figure we can all use the exercise, right? So why not just drop the trailer? I don't like giving my keys to somebody anyway. Dang, they done got busy down here. I'm on the other side of this blue truck. There she is. And great, they put a jack under there, so I gotta get out and move that first. You know, because safety. So we don't want to go back too far. They put it under there. I guess they could have removed it, but I guess they didn't feel like it. Big deal. We'll grab it real quick. Just part of it. Oh, like it's not even touching. This trailer is filthy. So is this truck. Like I said earlier, we're going to try and remedy that today. Drop the airbags. You know, one thing about this truck, I'm a little too far over, is I can't see the drive tires because of that fairing. We should be under it now to see how far out. Had to pause the video for a minute because I thought I bumped the camera. I think I did. I heard it click, clunk, or whatever. Let my airbags raise back up, lift the trailer up a little bit. Oh yeah, we're under there now. There she is. Go ahead and give her a tug. All right. Let's get her hooked back up. Get out of here. Come on, Larry. What in the heck happened here? go too far down. Double check that kingpin. And she is, yeah, she's latched. Watch this, y'all. This thing's gonna drop down on us. It's already pretty level. All right, we good. Lights are on. They're flashing. Oh, this thing, this crank does not like this salt. Light's green, but let's make sure we're not locked in. New law came out. These ICC bumpers, it's gonna be big fines if you got damage to them. So y'all be sure not to pull out of your dock without it being released, because if it gets damaged, you're there's like what is it, like I think it's a $4,000 fine for the driver and up to $14,000 fine for the carrier. It's a little steep. All right, so I'm gonna get these tandems slid, and then I'm gonna see if I can find this truck wash. Somebody had requested some truck wash footage with. We'll see what we can do with that, assuming I find a truck wash. In the meantime, we'll catch you guys later. Peace out. Well, it looks like we're gonna have a change of plans. No truck wash yesterday. Figured I'd save it for this morning. Nope. This definitely wasn't in the pre-plan. Yeah, it's not too bad at the moment, but came up this way because I need to get some CB work done. There's a good shop up here. I should catch them first thing in the morning. We're about to head over there here in a minute. They're about 20 miles up the road. I parked last night, started doing this crap. I'm like, you know, I looked at the weather, I use several different apps for weather. One of them being My Radar, which is a really good app. Shows the whole country, but it failed me. It wasn't showing anything, so I don't know where this came from. It just, well, I guess it's winter. It just appeared. Oh well, it's not too bad. I've seen the plows been going by, so we should be fine. But good thing I didn't get that truck wash, because here we are. We'll check back in with you guys later. See ya. Oh no, what happened? Oh man. No worries. My antennas are in the mirror. We're just taking it apart to do this CB install. We're here at Bob's CB shop in Strattonville, PA. Good shop. I've had them do work before. They do a great job, and we are going to replace the Cobra with the Ranger RX-9. Going big or go home, right? All right, here he comes. Let's tear stuff apart. We are. Oh, we are good in here. He has got everything torn apart. Factory install, so he's going down the A pillar like you should, through the top like you should. Haven't got here yet because he was running new power, new coax. He does have that ran. He's got the mirror back together. And we are going with the Browning antennas this time. Yep. Didn't want to buy two, but had to buy two. Wanted to buy two to keep it looking symmetrical. Yeah, it's a little waste of money. But, I mean, it's not, because I mean both antennas are being used, so there's that. We're getting there. Almost done. Alright guys, what's happening? I'll try and keep this brief. I didn't get to finish filming the install of the CB and all that good stuff. The guy didn't want to be on camera. I understand that. It happens. Or, you know, some people just don't like to be on camera. But I will give him a shout out. His name is John. If you need a good install of a CB or whatever, he did a great, fantastic factory install, going through the mirror tubes, behind the panels, the whole nine. And that's John at Bob's CB shop. It's exit 70 off I-80 in I believe it's Strattonville, PA. Go look him up. Did a great job. I've been stuck on the night shift lately for deliveries, but I got a midnight delivery here. I'm sitting on the dock here in Michigan. I got here early, about 10:30. I say early, 10:30. It's 12:15. I just now got onto a dock. But bad news is we did not get that truck washed. Good news is the CB got installed and they did a fantastic job. Let me spin this around. Yeah, it's awesome radio. Sounds great. It's color changing. All that good stuff. It's a 10-meter radio. It's a Ranger. I said it wrong earlier. It's a RCI X9. Great radio. I don't know what this guy's doing. It's going crazy. All right. So, anyway, this is going to be our video for now. I'm going to kill it here, and man, there's all kinds of craziness going on here. Well, not too crazy right video for you guys. Send it over to Ike and Bonehead Truckers, but it's been a long day. Got my radio hooked up. I'm on the dock getting unloaded. Hopefully they'll get me out of here early enough that I get some sleep tonight. Hopefully find a load tomorrow, but if not, I'm in Michigan. I'll just go to the house. But in the meantime, thanks for trucking with T-Bone. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I do a video. And we'll see you guys later. And we'll see you guys later. Take care. Peace out.